Hello everybody, it's early in the morning and we are out for a walk and it's a lot of snow and it's a lot of traffic, but oh, it's snowing. Can you see? I can't hardly see. It's so much snow. Ooh, right in my face, and all that wind, huh? It's cold. Come. Unnskyld, I'm sorry. We are just walking around. It's a lot more snow at my house than here. But yeah, we love it. Right, Hendo? Look at him. Hendo? Say? No, don't shake it. Say, Hendo, let me see you. Let me see you. Hendo. Nope, not today. Say, Hendo, få se. Bli. I need a picture for the front of the video. Oh, so pen. Oh, you're so cute. We need reflex out in the traffic. It's so important. I'm sorry. And oh no, they are coming here. Oh, we need to jump. Woo! Or, up in the up in the snow. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know they were coming. I'm sorry. As you see, it's winter wonderland. And we are out walking here in the shop. It's up already. What are you doing? What are you doing, little boy? Hi. Are you walking away from me? I have your leash under my foot. Oh, you're so cute. You are so cute. Oh, it's hard snow. I am happy I have this on. It's going to be... Yeah. Shh. Shh. Ikke bjeffe. Nei. Shh. Ikke bjeffe. Nei. They are taking snow off the car. That's nothing special, huh? Oh. You wanna hug? Look at this. Let me see. Hendo. Okay, we are ready to go. I'm sorry, I'm ready to go home. Oh, it's a car. I need to. Oh, come. I'm going to do a short premiere. Bye.